Henry Jones. Yn ôl at Kieran Smith. Sean Smith. Cyfle fan hyn I Sean Smith. Smith yn dal I fynd. Cyfle fan hyn. Yr ergyd I gefn yr oed o campus. Louis Robles yn rhaid y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Rhediad rhagorol gan Sean Smith. Y bêl yn tasgu at Louis Robles. A'r bêl yn hôr hwyd y Bala 1 Caerfyrddin dim. Bull mae Harling, a mae Bowen yn y canol. Bull, yn gwneud yn gampus fan y gyfle gwirioneddol fan hyn I Caerfyrddin! Hyfryd! Josh Bull yn union i'r sgôr. Efo 6 munud ar 20 wedi chwarae. Mi dwyllodd yr amddiffyn yn llwyr. Mi dwyllodd Ashley Morris yn y gôl. Sean Smith. Smith heibio I Harling. Smith, pas hyfryd I glwybr Robles, mae Venables yn y canol, angen y bas I fewn at Venables! Dyna chi symudiad! Hyfryd gan y Bala, hyd y cae, y bas at Robles, yr hediad gan Venables, 8 munud tan yr egwyl, Bala nôl ar y blaen. Robles yn ôl at Henry Jones, Jones yn ôl at Robles, Idsi! Gwych o arbediad gan y golwr. Pas hyfryd gan Henry Jones. Lle gan Louis Robles. Idsi yn arbed yr ergyd.
Yeah, we're on a good run, you know. I don't think that we played bad in the 2 games that we lost, and you know, the lads have done really well. Like I say, you know, we've come on a lot from last season. We'd have lost the game today or conceded late on maybe, but you know, the lads have got a bit of steel about them. They defended the set plays really well. They chucked everything at us, and you know, the lads have been outstanding, but we should have been better in possession and should have been better going forward.
It's a frustrating time at the moment. You know, we've lost 6 out of 7 by the odd goal, so again it's small percentages that are going against us at the moment, but only us as a group with players and staff are going to turn this around and get ourselves out of it. But yeah, that's exactly what I just told the players, and I thought again, especially second half, we definitely deserve something out of the game.